In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Namecheap domain to Replit. So here I've just got a very simple static website here as an example. I'm going to cover here how you can essentially connect to your domain. I'll walk you through step by step and make sure that you're all good and there is nothing left out. So what you need to do, once you're on Replit, you need to go to your deployments here. It will then obviously show you your deployments. Go ahead and choose the one that you want to connect the domain for. Then go to the domain section. You are going to see a subdomain here which your app or website will be live using. So if you click on it, it will already be working, right? So here is my website. Obviously you need to make sure it's deployed. Then go to domains in the top right hand corner. Then go and click manually connect from another registrar. Make sure obviously that it is live and you can connect another domain. So click manual. Then we can enter in our domain from Namecheap. Here I am on Namecheap. I'm just in the dashboard. Obviously you need to be logged into Namecheap and then find the domain. So here is the domain I'm going to connect, onlinehowtoguide.click. We'll go ahead and paste that in here. We'll then click next, and it is very simple from here. We need to add 2 DNS records to our Namecheap domain. So what I'll do is we'll go to the domain, we'll then click on manage, and it is again very simple. So on the domain section, make sure you're on the Namecheap basic DNS name servers and not any other name servers. Once you've done that, you can go to advanced DNS. And then from here, if you've got any other records, I would just delete them. I don't. So what we're going to do, we're going to click add new record. Now what we need to do is just simply copy what it says here. So a record, the host name is going to be at, and what we'll do is we'll copy this record IP address here. So we're adding an a record, host, at, value, paste in the IP address, click the green tick and make sure that saves the changes. So there's record number 1. Now we'll go to record number 2, txt record, at, and then we need to paste in this here. So we'll copy this here by clicking on this button. Then we'll go add new record, and remember this one is a txt record. For the host, we'll type at. For the value, we'll paste in this here. Then we'll click the green tick. And to be honest, guys, that is pretty much all you've got to do. Now, people do get confused now and a bit impatient because when you click then link domain, it will say verifying, and they'll try and click on it and it will give them an error and it won't be working. The reason for this is because it takes up to 48 hours to actually propagate the changes. So if you go back to this page, right, deployments, domains, deployments is here, you go and click on edit, you can then see here, it may take up to 48 hours to fully apply your changes, and this happens between all different domain registration companies, and anything you do with domains can take up to 48 hours. So please be patient. You can keep clicking check status and it may or may not work straight away. Now, again, I've done this a few times. It's taken me around roughly 20 minutes to wait in most cases, but it can take longer. It can take up to 20 minutes. What you can do to check is you can go ahead and copy this. And if you open up an incognito window and paste it in, it may work straight away. If it doesn't, it's because it hasn't propagated yet. The second thing you can do is if you go to a website called dnschecker.org, you can paste in your domain name, you can click search, and if everything is green here, then you should be okay. Now, if one of them isn't green, we may have done something wrong, or we may just have to wait a second. Most likely what's going on though, if it's just one which is not green, it means that it probably hasn't propagated yet in this specific server, so in Mexico. We can just wait and be patient. We have added everything correct. You can double check that you've gone into your settings here and you've added everything here. So a record at, and then this IP address, a record at this IP address, txt at, and then this record here. Now you can see if I click on it, it does load the site. It's just now got a privacy error. Again, we need to wait up to 48 hours for the SSL certificate to actually connect and be updated. So don't stress. You can talk to ChatGPT if you've got any errors and issues. Just believe me, just as long as you've added these correct, just wait up to 48 hours and it will connect eventually. So that's all for this video. Let me know if it helped by leaving a like and commenting down below.